Hi everybody, Tammy here. Welcome to my channel, and I've got Skipper with me along with her friend in there. That's one of those Creatable World dolls, and she is super keen because she has this adorable VW little Volkswagen Beetle. Is that too cute or what? So my sister, my little sister, who she does not collect dolls, but my younger sister found this at a thrift store. It needs to be cleaned up a little bit more. I cleaned the outside, and then I noticed the inside kind of is a little bit on the dirty side. And let's see, does that, I think this pops up. Yes, this pops up so you can put stuff back here. And then both of these doors open. All right, you can see this guy in here. And yeah, it's a little bit dirty in there, so a little bit dusty. So I need to clean that up. And Skipper fits in it really, really well. This is one of two Skipper dolls that I have in my collection. So I think she's going to be hanging out in this VW Beetle here for a while. She is actually one of the Skippers that's supposed to be a surfer. And she originally came with a really cute two-piece bathing suit. It was like shorts with a little top used for surfing, and then she had a surfboard. And I think maybe Malibu, my Blythe Malibu, might have stolen it from her. And right now she's actually wearing a skirt that Marna at Dolls Rescued made for me. And then the top that she has on is a top I got a long time ago from I think the Glitter Girls, when they were selling like packs of clothes for like $2. They were little super cute outfits I could pick up at Walmart. And she's adorable. She has a little bit of purple in her hair. The other Skipper doll I have is an old vintage one from my childhood, and this is a newer one. And I think it's interesting that they're very different. Maybe when I bring out the vintage one for her own video here soon, I'll do a comparison of the two, because this gal's a little bit taller and a little bit more developed in certain areas. She's comes off as more of a, I would say maybe, 16-ish or so years old. Whereas the other vintage one is more of a, I would say almost a preteen. She really appealed to me because of the surfer vibe that she has, but also most of the Skippers that they seem to sell these days are all babysitters for some reason, for the most part. And she also has some pretty decent movability. She doesn't have jointed ankles, but she's got a pretty good articulation as far as her elbows and knees go. And her waist, I think that's it. Yeah. And of course her head moves around pretty well. So anyway, she's a keeper. She is really super cute and fits really well. Actually, I tried her and this other dude, the Creatable World guy, and they both fit really well in this little car. So I think they're going to be super fun to display together. And yeah, I just love this. Thank you to my sister for getting it for me. She knew that this, you guys, come on. Look at that. Look how cool that is. All right, guys, so this is another doll from my collection that I'm just sharing with you. And as I go through my collection and decide who's going to stay and who's going to go. And she's just a little playline doll. She's not like super difficult to find or anything like that. But she's definitely going to stay. As usual, please give this a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Have a wonderful Dolly Day. Bye.